This is RC News. And today, guys, we have a bunch of young shenanigan-like teenagers spray painting and graffitiing all over the wall. It's time to confront them. Hey, so I'm here with RC News. Why are you guys graffitiing all over the public walls?
For one, we're not graffitiing. For two, we're protesting. What we're protesting about is, one, I hate RC News, and two, I ate poop.
That's no protest. You're straight up graffitiing.
No, we're not.
Alright, it's time to send in lethal force.
What do you mean lethal force?
Well, I mean, are you going to get rid of it?
No, of course we're not going to.
Lethal force it is. I'm getting away. They'll never find me.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, no. And now for the next story of today's RC News. Today, a man has stolen sugar. Yes, you heard me right. Stealing sugar leads to a high-speed police chase. You've got to see this. Alright, time to drop off my load. Give me some sugar, baby! Yes, I got my sugar! Now for a grand escape! A man's been caught stealing sugar? Man, I'm too old for this. I don't even have a light bar. It's time I call in the Blue Thunder. So, why'd we even steal the sugar in the first place? Don't ask questions! These idiots left their doors and hood open.
Wow, man. Thanks for returning the sugar in immaculate condition. I'm sure you had to go through all types of chases to get that, right? Well, thanks a lot. I don't even know why we even tried to get this back anyways.
And with that, the sugar was recovered. Now you're probably still wondering, what happened to the thieves? Well, they've been put in custody by RC America.
Bah.